Ah,
Oh
that's
shit.
hot.
Here we
That's
go
hot.
again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to continue on our process using the all-in-one $25 digital business and promoting it using my lead gen secrets. All right, so I think this is day 24. Not entirely sure. Got 3 sales so far. That's $360 a month. It's crazy because I'm getting 20 and 100 monthly commissions at the moment. All right, so these sales are 80% commission, recurring commission. You can find 80%, you can't find 80% recurring commissions, guys. The highest that'll be recurring commission wise is like 25-35%. So in that case, I'm making you end up in profit once you get 2 people in the system. All right, so let's keep it moving here. So let's go to my lead gen secrets here. Now once you log into my lead gen secrets, pretty simple. What you do, you put in an email, you send it off. As simple as that. We're using 3 accounts, so we need to do it 3 times. All right, so first thing first, we're gonna use one of these emails here. Use here. Okay, we're gonna use this number 2. Upgrade notice. Copy. We're gonna see how well it does. Yeah. Sorry about that. I got a bit of a cold going on. All right, so let's see. I is another learning membership. Blah blah blah. Copy that. Paste here. Paste here. Send the name. Just put your name in right there. That spot. First name. Copy. That's good. All right, so we're gonna delete this link part. We're supposed to put the link there, but we just gonna put it right here. Let's say inner circle welcome package. We'll just put our link there. Now let's put their name here. Matter of fact, put their name in the or that. All right. All right, now we'll get the link. All right, that looks pretty good for email. Now we get the link. Now for you guys, what you do, you go to your, once you sign into the system, right? You don't have to do what I do, but once you sign into the system, you go to this page here. You go to all-in-one business sale letter and you get this link here, right? You get this link here. That's gonna take you to this page here. Take them to this page here where they read about how to make money and all that, how fast they can make money, all that good stuff, right? I personally made a domain so it can look a little cleaner. All right, so we're gonna just put the link here. Boom. Hit the link here. Boom. We're gonna make them bold. Make sure we make them bold. All right. That's it, guys. Oh, that looks pretty good. We're sticking to this. All right, send an email. And that is done, guys. All right, so we're gonna copy, paste, and put it in our other accounts. Now, if you got another account like me, what you want to do is go to account here. Don't have it. We'll go to another account here. I'm gonna log out on this one and log back in on the next account here. And all we're gonna do is just copy paste. Uh-oh. Okay, guys, when something like this happens, this you log out of this account, you go back to the main account. If this happens to you guys, but it just happened to me. All right, see, I already done sent that, right? I already done sent that. Here's the email. I can still copy it. Now I'm gonna have to reload this, log out again, and log back in. Now that can happen as well. But I'm just showing you guys just in case it happened to you guys. It's not a big deal. Just reload like that. Simple as that. And I just copied this like that. Peace. About it, guys. All right. See how simple that was? Uh-oh. Erased my name there a little bit. But see how easy it was to get back to what I was doing? Very simple. All right, so since we got 3 accounts, we gotta do it one more time. Copy. Log out here. Then we log in here. Got this one. Just hit that. Boom, boom. This. Timing. And what perfect timing does is send you the email around the time that they check their emails. Okay, so we post it in like that. Looks pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna stick to that, guys. We're just gonna send again. And we're done. We're done. That's how easy it is, guys. Just that simple. You see how quick and easy that was? That took about 7 minutes. And that because I had an accident. I did something wrong, or my computer locked up, computer tab locked up. And I had to reset it. Alright, so that's how simple this is and how simple it could be, right? So let's go to show you guys the type of money you can make, man. It's kind of crazy. Each person can give you $120 per month. Now you get 1 sale every week, making $6,000 a month within a year's time. It's crazy. Within a year's time, you're making this. If you can get 1 person in every week, so there's 50-something people. It's 50-something weeks in a year, so you can get 1 person. You can get 50-something people in this system. It's the type of money you're making. My goal is to just get 10. I'm just trying to get 10 in first. I get 10 in first. I realize, that pays for pretty much a lot of the bills I have. Anything after that is just free money. I mean, money I can spend. So I get about 10 people in, I'm good. That's all I really want. But I want to get to this point here. Right now, I'm on track of getting this. I think I got 3 sales. I started this. We on day 20. Okay, I'm a little behind. I'm a little behind on this. I need 1 more sale before the end of the week out. I'm a little behind though. I got 3 sales. Guys, I got 3 sales. I'm a little behind the first one. Just 1 sale a week. We're using my lead gen secrets at least. But yeah, it's just that simple with my lead gen secret, guys. You don't really have to do nothing else, and that's the beauty of it, right? That's why I try to tell you guys that this is the way, the easiest way. If you want the easiest way, this is it. It's this simple. Yeah. All right, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.